guys, what's up? It's Val. So for today's video, if you cannot tell by no makeup on my face, I'm gonna be doing my makeup with you. And so yeah, it's gonna be my chatty makeup thing I haven't done in a while, and I just decided it'd be a good first actual video of 2018, you know, because my last one was my blooper reel, and even though my blooper reel I really enjoy making and everything, an actual video is nice too. So I have my makeup here, so let's just go ahead and get started. And also I'm using a few new products and I'm really excited for it, so yeah. So what's new, people? I feel like I haven't done this in so long, actually, because my last makeup video was a voiceover one. Like, wow, who am I? But yeah, so I'm just priming right now. But what are my resolutions, you may ask? I'm actually starting a bullet journal. It's one of my resolutions, because one of my resolutions is to basically be more organized and to be more efficient and everything, just like, you know, have an organized life, you know, kind of. Yeah, so I'm starting a bullet journal. I got the Lead Trim dotted guide because I heard it's really good, but so far I've done a cover. I did it on separate sheet of paper. It just says Hello 2018. It has like fireworks. You can barely see them on camera though. And I have to get no bleed markers or something because I wanted to be colorful, even though I'm not that colorful of a person, but like, you know, when I'm planning things, I like to have it organized and have it look pretty. So I'm gonna have to get colored ones because what I used for my tip tracker, since I'm a hairstylist, I get tips, and being able to actually view it would be nice. So like yesterday, January 3rd, I got $5. And no bleed markers basically means so that I can write on both sides of the page and stuff, you know, so. Okay, any other resolutions I have? Well, in general, to stick to my fitness routine, because I got out of it for a while, but that's also because too, work has been crazy and everything. Like, I'm just trying to get back into it since I haven't been to the gym in a while. And also too, actually, I went to the gym last night and this guy went like right in front of me at the like weight section, like in front of the mirror thing. He went right in front of me and told me to move, and he was like, "Move, newbie." And I am still just like, who do you think you are? Like, foundation I'm using is the NYX Total Drop Foundation. Love it. Any other resolutions do I have? I mean, I'm traveling more, but that's not really a resolution. But speaking of traveling, I'm actually going to Cuba soon. Like, yo! I'm thinking about filming like an outfits video when I'm in Cuba, because that would be so much fun. Also because too, I kind of want to do a travel diary, but like a full-on one, because I'm going with my parents. I just don't know what to talk about. I usually have like chock full of things to talk about, but this is so weird. Oh wait, no, I use a brush now. But I'm not using Shape Tape Concealer, obviously. I'm just gonna talk about my makeup now. So actually very soon I'm using a new product, so that's exciting. Also too, did you guys like Valadays? That's actually a good question for me to ask on here for you guys to comment down below. Valadays, what did you think of it? What did you think of me posting 2 times a week too? Because sometimes I was like, great, people are responding to this. Other times I was like, are people not liking me uploading 2 times a week? Like, what's going on here? Okay, and now for the new product, yo. Why am I saying yo so much now? That's my real question to myself. So this is the NYX Away We Glow. Like, it's a liquid highlighter type of deal, and I am living for this. I went to NYX the other day just for my eyebrow pencil, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll look around and see what's new. And I don't even know if this is new or not, but oh my god, I loved it. Placing this on the high points of the face, and just a little bit of my chin. And also too, people are asking me, why do I highlight my chin? Because I contour my neck. You want to highlight the high points, and then chin is the high point. And also too, this has a slight pink hue to it, which I am living for. Pink is still something I'm obsessed with, so. No, eyebrow brush. And so now to blend this out, I'm just going to take my little stippling brush from e.l.f. It's just a little guy. I'm just going to blend it in. But like, look at that. It's so pretty. Ah, I'm going to die. For my under eyes, I'm just going to do a little bit of bacon. Nothing crazy, don't worry. It's literally just going to be going underneath my eyes. I don't want to touch the highlight. Okay, and while that's setting, we're gonna do our eyebrows now. So, what are your resolutions? Tell me, I wanna know. Maybe I can help. And this is the NYX Precision Brow. Any music you guys are waiting for in 2018? I'm seriously waiting for Louis to drop his album. And for Fall Out Boy's full album to come out. They've just been releasing songs like weirdly, so I'm hoping they release the album this year. And so I'm just gonna take the powder to set my eyeshadow primer, because you need to set your eyeshadow primer. So just gonna place that right on top. And now you can't even tell really, but I still have powder in my eyes, so I'm gonna get rid of that. So to set my like liquid highlight, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls guy. It was in my favorite palettes in 2017. So to finish off the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using the Sweet Peach Glow palette because, like I said, I like a glowy face and then a matte eye. So I'm gonna be taking the bronzer from here. As you can tell, I've already hit pan on that. So this place not like kind of where you would contour because like it's just basically where the sun would naturally hit, you know. For the blush, which I'm obsessed with still, I'm gonna be taking a big Strickland brush. Okay, now for the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using my Tartelette palette, the Amazonian Clay All Matte palette. I love it. It's amazing. It's beautiful. But I've been using this guy a ton. Wow, you can, oh my god, you can see me. Anyway, so I'm gonna be taking this one all over my lid. Just to, like, you know, give it a good tone. Basically as a second, like, you know, eyeshadow setter. Okay, now with the same brush, which by the way is the blending shadow brush from Sephora, I'm gonna be taking the Wanderer, which is basically a brown, almost like peanut butter color. And I'm just gonna be placing that in the crease. Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of Dreamer in, just a tiny bit. Okay, put that in there, and I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend it away to make it a bit more seamless. There we go. So now I'm just going to be taking Free Spirit, which is the guy I used to set it, and I'm going to take it on the small part of this brush here, and I'm going to put it on like my inner corner and just like brighten up the eye a little bit. And I'm just going to take the fluffy brush and dip it in the same color there and kind of sweep it over the areas that we didn't put any. There we go. And now, why did I close that? I need the mirror in here. Tarte, you know what's up, big mirror. But now it's time for lashes and then lipstick, you know? So the lashes I use are the Kiss number 11 ones. Okay. Now for this to dry so that I can put it on and not like have it slide over the place, you know? Okay, I think I'm good. Not bad actually. You can see the dot, but other than that. Next one. I'm surprised I was even able to do it. Oh my god. So I'm gonna let the lashes dry before I like curl them and add a little bit of mascara to them. So I'm gonna draw a little, I don't know, heart or something, you know, with the Super Sketch, that's what it's called, right? Yeah, Super Sketchy liner from NYX. I'm gonna curl the first pair that I put on. So I'm gonna curl this guy. Okay, not bad, not bad. Now time to add mascara, and I'm also gonna be putting mascara on my lower lashes just to actually make it a bit more, you know, even in a way. Well, I should put on some lip balm. The shade that is called Shinx because it reminds me of Pokemon, but it's actually called Finks or something like that. So I'm gonna be using the Katy Perry Katy Kat Matte lipsticks, and it's called the Sphinx, or as I like to call it, Shinx. There we go, a good nude. This was actually my go-to nude for a while. This should be in here actually. It's a good color. There we go. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it in any way, shape, or form, give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you want me to do any other videos, leave them down below. What's your resolution for 2018 too? I see that earlier, but just so you remember, leave down your resolutions down below. Maybe I can help you out. And yeah, so just make sure to subscribe so you're up to date with my uploads, girl. I upload every Sunday now. And so yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday then. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys here next time for another new video. Bye guys.